Hi, so this is a review of embedded introduction to the embedded machine learning course on a Coursera. So the full course name is Introduction to Embedded Machine Learning, and it is the first week's exams where we are going to uh, uh, give a we are going to take an exam if we can pass or not. So here you can see the first question that says all artificial intelligence is considered machine learning. So what we have learned in this course is that not all the artificial intelligence is considered as a machine learning, but it's the vice versa, is that all machine learning is considered as artificial intelligence, because we can say that artificial intelligence is more than a mathematical model. It have some methods, for example detecting an object inside the image, and how to plan a path. So it is more than machine learning. So all artificial intelligence is not a machine learning, but all machine learning is artificial intelligence. So here we are going to select the false. Now the second question you can see here on the screen is during the training phase, parameter of the rules parameter of the rules, that is called as a model, are updated automatically using one or more mathematical algorithm. And that's uh, yeah unconditionally it is true, because here our mathematical model or algorithm is obviously the matrix. So we are going to select it as a true. The third question here you can see is the machine learning can be used to identify objects in a image. Yes, obviously it is used to identify object in a image. Fourth one is ensuring data integrity and privacy. Okay, and its ensurement is a key factor in building a societal trust of AI system. So yeah, when we apply in practical modes, we have to always consider its integrity with the existing system, and also we have to see the privacy, and and that is obviously a key factor. So the fifth question is that which of the following would be an appropriate use? It's an appropriate use of embedded machine learning. Okay, so we have to because we are giving exam for the embedded machine learning. Some of the ITs cannot be considered in this question. So in a embedded machine learning, so first is identifying objects in an image. So how image is cast up, so with the help of camera, and camera itself is an embedded system, so it can be considered as an embedded machine learning. So the first is true. The second is performing an action based on a spoken word. So spoken word is an input, and there is an output is an action. So how it can be done? So if we see if we speak in front of the Google, and obviously mobile is an embedded object, so we can also tick mark this one. Detecting anomalies in the servo motor of a satellite. So obviously the servo motor gives an input, and yeah, so we can see we can also select this one. So the other one is detecting anomalies in an online banking system. Okay, so here it is a online, it is not embedded, right? it we Our question is for embedded machine learning and nothing for the online banking, so it can not be selected. Sixth one is test set is used to evaluate the model in order to fine tune of the model's hyperparameter. So test set is used obviously to validate, not to evaluate. Okay, so it is to validate, so it is obviously the false one. Using a balanced data set can help you avoid training a new classifier. So what is new classifier? It is, yeah, it's a bias inside the model. So if we use the balanced data set, that means if we are using 5,000 images to train, we also can use it's the ratio is like 17 15 15, or sometime it is 60 20 20. So 60 is to train the data, 20 is to test the data, to test the model. Sorry, 60 is to train the model, 20 is to test the model, and 20 is to validate the model. So in together it is 100%, so it should have to be balanced. So yeah, it is obviously a true one. Okay, so which of the following would be considered a feature with regard to machine learning? So what is a feature? Okay, so a feature is someone say it is a theta inside the model, someone say it is an x inside the model. So uh, so RMS is not you can see root mean square of a value of all the data, prominent frequency values found in the data. It is not considered is a feature. So first one is a raw data value, can be considered as a feature. The second one is the its root mean value of all the data, it is also considered as a data. And the prominent frequency values found in the data, it is also considered as a feature. And it doesn't matter how long does the model take a time to train. It is, and yeah, it depends on a feature, but it is not considered a feature. The process of extracting features from the unseen data is known as inference. Okay, so now we are going to give it okay, and we can just submit it, and let us see. We can just hope. So after submitting the assignment, you can see that I got a 90%, and I just have to pass 80% to pass this exam. So congratulations if you follow this video, and please subscribe. More exam solution is on the way. So yeah, you can pass the exams and get certificate in no time. So please subscribe channel and like and share. Thank you.